They already tried to do that. They was trying to hook up some shit with a meeting with they say Jay-Z was gonna get him on the phone and all that shit. I need to apologize to save this and save that I got coming up. They gonna, hey, tell Jay-Z I don't want to talk. Yeah, I'm not apologizing for shit. I don't give a fucking Jesus call and tell me to apologize. I said what I said, man. I felt that was right.
Back to the motherfucking future. The past is irrelevant like those who are now holders. And look, I'm not taking them shots like a lethal injection, man. You're taking them shots, we taking them blocks. Hey, they smoking them rocks. So in their time they're trying to fight back, they can't, they been socks. They stuck with the sock. Like Mick Foley, the beat is so crazy, it is only guacamole, holy cow, oh wow. I'ma break the fucking flow in half like a towel. Hey, lay it down like a towel. Hey, wow. Hey, hold up, wow, hold up, bow. Hey, bow. Hey, and I'm all back, and I'm saying all that, and I came from the and that bitch, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Alright. I'm back. Motherfucker, give us a crack. I'm back. Alright. Hey. I'm back. I'm back. Hey, and I lay high tech, and I'm on that fucking lane high tech. Whoa. Hey, nigga, whoa, hey, like a truck. Oh, yeah, back it up. Whoa, hey, back it up. Whoa, yeah, back it up. Hey,
What it do, YouTube? This video, I want to talk about how to know if someone has a demon attached to them. Yes, how to know if someone has a demon attached to them. So there's like a few ways to know if a person has a demon attached to them, right? But the main 3 ways that to tell if a person has a demon attached to them. 1, that person, when you come around a person, or if you're in the same vicinity, or just in the same room or something with a person that has a demon on them, that person is all can't sit still, like looking around and shit, like just can't sit still, acting nervous and shit. Now you gotta know the difference between somebody that's actually like genuinely, naturally nervous, and somebody that has a demon attached to them. Somebody that's genuinely nervous, you know, somebody stuck over their words just a couple times, or you know, they may have a couple of awkward moments, but they're not under a demonic spell, or they don't have a demon attached to them. Now, a person that does have a demon attached to them, like I said, the first way to find out if they all fidgety, can't sit still, but they always getting up, you know, go to the bathroom. I gotta go get some out the fridge, so they just keep moving. That's how you know that's the first way to find out if somebody has a demon. The second way is the demon will avoid eye contact with you, especially if you're strong. So let me explain what that means. So if you're a strong soul, meaning like you know who you are, you know you got powers, like you know, and as in like abilities and whatnot, telepathy, telekinesis. And a demon knows if a person is weak. Like if you're a weak person and you're not really too sure, don't look a demon in the eyes, because that means then the demon can overtake you because you're not strong enough, or you have no spiritual protection. You're just a lost soul, just, you know. But if you're a strong soul, demons will avoid eye contact with you. That's the second way to know if a person is a demon or have a demon attached to them, is they will avoid eye contact with you. Like, they'll just completely avoid eye contact with you because they know that you have the ability to burn them, and you have the ability to see exactly what they really are. You see what I mean? And the third way is to just feel their energy overall. You see what I mean? Overall, just fill out their energy. If their energy feels off, or it don't feel necessarily right, or it feels like it's too awkward, then it's more likely that that person has a demon. Now, like I said, the first way to figure this out is, you know, to give you a little summary, the first way to figure this out is if a person has a demonic entity attached to them is they always fidgeting, they always moving around, they can't sit still. The second way is if you're a strong soul, the demon will avoid eye contact with you at all costs, not even 2 seconds of eye contact, because they know you can figure them out. The third way is to just feel out their energy overall. If it don't feel right, like it's just something off, more than likely it's something off. Now, to elaborate on what I was saying about if you a weak soul, not to look at a demon. So, for example, if you a person that is not really spiritual, you're not into spirituality, don't look into the eyes of a demon. So, if you can't tell the difference, shit. that shit hot like a motherfucker. But if you can't tell the difference, then, and if you feel like a person might be a demon, you shouldn't even try this. But if a person is a weak soul and they look a person that has demonic entities on them, that demon will jump into that weak person's body, and then that demon will use your body and start doing dumb shit like drinking a lot of alcohol, because sugar, a lot of sugar attracts like sugar demons, and what else I was gonna say? It attracts sugar demons, and it'll also eat a lot of like bad foods, as in like eat so much that they're not balancing it out. See what I mean? So these demonic entities, like I said, if you're a weak soul and you look into the eyes of a person that has demonic entities, that demon will jump onto you and start making you do dumb shit, as in eat a lot of dumb shit that's killing you, have you saying and doing just outrageous stuff. Like, how you be like, I was out of my mind. That's because you was possessed by a demon. That doesn't necessarily mean you did like a ritual or nothing, but it's just demons lurking everywhere because of this certain shit in your demonic government opening up Pandora's box and unleashing all these demons. Like, I'm finna blow some people's mind right here. So, do y'all remember a dude named Son of Aquarius or Aquarius Son, whichever name you wanna go by? I don't know if y'all can hear that train. That's why I keep pausing. It's a train. But so like I said, I'm finna blow y'all mind right here. Do y'all remember a dude that was on YouTube? His name was Aquarius Son or Son of Aquarius, and he did this video. It was him, this girl named Hazel Bay, and this other dude named Orion Bay. This shit was like, it was all three of them sitting on the bench. Aquarius Son, Hazel Bay, and Orion Bay. This was like 2014, 2015 or some shit like that. And they was all sitting at this park bench, and they was talking about CERN and how in the future there's going to be all this chaos on the planet, which we're living in right now. Because the government is, especially, they fucking with this shit called CERN, where it's like this big ass collider that's spinning so fast that I think it's like it's spinning so fast that they're trying to create another Big Bang. For example, like they get atoms going in the opposite direction than what they're supposed to be going. So it's like they be fucking with nature, and they fucking with different realms, because like I said, we stacked on different dimensions. You see what I mean? Different dimensions. And in these different dimensions, because there's 9 underworlds and 13 heavens. So right now we going through the underworld. So they fucking with this certain shit, and it's just unleashing demons on each fucking level of the underworld. You see what I mean? And from the 13 heavens, the higher dimensions, is entities that's coming back. Some was born in, during this time, like some was born in the 60s and 70s, 80s, different time periods. But a lot of messengers, starseeds, scribes, scrolls, entertainers as well. Some don't even know it. They just sleep. They lost because they don't know it. Some know, some don't. Just different entities that came back from the higher realms, and a lot of us came back in the 80s and the 90s, but a lot came back in the 70s too, and 60s and whatnot. But a lot of those was infiltrated because that's why Ronald Reagan and them did the crack cocaine shit. That's why they was doing the dare shit, and that's why it was just so much different things that happened in each generation because they knew it was messengers coming back from the 13 heavens. Now that we living in this time right now, you have different messengers now. It's a different generation. It's coming in different forms. YouTube is the new TV. There's so many different messages on YouTube. A lot of people, all that shit is bullshit. They don't even know because they can't even see the truth when the truth slap them. And so they unleashing demons and it's different messengers coming back. Like I said, a lot of us was already here, but we're coming back now, and it's more people waking up into their so-called Godhood, to use that word. Waking up to their so-called Christ consciousness. That's a better word. Better words. Christ consciousness. People waking up to their Christ consciousness, and they starting to see, and they starting to speak that throat chakra. They starting to speak and see what it really is. But that's the shit that's going on. And that video, I can't even find that video of Aquarius Sun up. Like, something like one video of Aquarius Sun up. Somebody reposted it, but yeah, it was a video of them three, and they was talking about the same shit with the sun shit. They took it down, but who remember that shit? Like, genuinely remember that shit. And that shit real. So yeah, man, be careful with these demons is out here. You feel me? And there's one more thing too before I disappear. That's just funny. But also when you look at a demon or a reptilian, I'm telling you, I seen this shit with my own 2 eyes, with my own 3 eyes, really. So it was like 2014 or some shit like that, and I was talking to this dude. I'm looking him in his eye, eye contact and shit. And his eyes flashed like white. Then it was like a black reptilian slit in the middle of both his eyes. And then it flashed back to blue because he had blue eyes, like a European dude I was talking to and shit. And he was smoking or whatever. I'm talking to him, but that's the thing. When it's a reptilian, you don't want to react and let the reptilian, or the insectilian, whatever you're dealing with. You don't want to let that entity know that you recognize who it is, so you just play it cool. So I just played it cool until I got out of there. And then when I finally got out of there, I'm like, yeah, this motherfucker was a fucking reptilian. But yeah, it's a lot of different shit with the eyes, That's why they say the eyes is the seat of the soul, it's the window to the soul. You feel me, Sean? Yeah, I'll wake the damn up, man. No videos coming.